We are live. Live on YouTube. We got 3.5 minutes to the open. Let's go. Got a bit of a trend established here. Let's rebound. Oh, Golfer's here. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Are you ready to make some motherfucking money? Oh, can't say that. Not yet, but you will. Let's go. Messed up and cursed in the first 2 minutes. Guess it'll be all right.
Market is wild.
Yeah. A little bit. We might be choppy. We might be choppy for a couple weeks, you guys.
Trading.
Yes, little bro.
I was just telling someone to get out.
What kind of news did we have?
Non-farm payrolls. Non-farm ADP. I think that's what it was. Yeah, not ADP, but non-farm employment change. Some other stuff. Unemployment change in rate, hourly earnings. Basically, we had 4 unemployment, different variations of unemployment news. We don't have any more news today. Little news at 10 o'clock. I don't think anybody's going to care about that. It's coming out of Canada. Speaker coming out of Germany at 10:30, and a speaker coming out of Europe at 12:45. I don't think anybody's going to care about any of that. But be aware, 10 and 10:30, 12:45. We got 90 seconds roughly. Get your work done, golfer. Get your dog walked. You have lunch.
Not yet. Oh, my dog is in the bed.
Sleepy dog. All right, 45 seconds. I'm thinking we go up and down at the open or down and up either way. 20 seconds. Testing that little trend we made over the last 20 minutes. All right, we are open. Buyers are 205, 200. Sellers at 25 and 28, moving up and down. First minute in the books. Can't decide if I'm going to trade the eval today or the funded account today. I'll let the market decide which one to trade. How about that?
Yeah, I'm not really seeing much to touch.
If we get a trending market, I'll pull the funded account out. If we're choppy, I'll trade the eval. Currently, we're trending down. I suspect, or maybe we get a rebound to this trend that we started before the open. Let these market orders get filled, and then get back on trend, perhaps. Otherwise, I think down, new low a day. S&P's trying to maintain the base and move up. Got a daily level at 103, down to 98. Weekly level at 270, up to 320. $24 ATR already. Black Ops, good morning.
Ooh, Black Ops, just the man I'm looking for.
Your assistance is required, sir. After trading, of course.
We're going through puberty.
Buyers at 200. Sellers are bouncing around between 25 and 30. 5-minute range is just about in. 42 point ATR. I mean opening range. Moving averages are flat, and looks like choppiness to me, guys. Moving averages are flat.
It is. I'm still flat.
Let's trade the eval account. For range bound, should be easy to pick up 15 to 20 points off the top and the bottom. Then it'll probably smooth out after everybody goes to lunch. Chop, chop. When it controls 217, open price is 11. Excuse me.
I feel like we're about to go down.
Does. Nasty hour candles. Nasty 15-minute candles. Approaching low a day. I think we might chop inside of this dip from the news, the rebound from the news, and the dip. 180s, 260.
Ugh.
Order filled.
Going long?
No, I got short.
Short again. Good entry for a short. Top of the trend. 15 minutes.
I'm not touching it. It's still just gonna. It's ranging still.
Yeah, it is.
Every time it
But-
reaches that area, the buyers come in, but then the sellers come in when it goes here as well. Creating lower highs, higher lows. Squeezing.
The S&P is more bullish and it's making the N shape. N shape.
Yeah.
Breaking the channel or the trend within the range. .25 ATR, you guys, and it just feels slow. Feels like it's slow.
Order filled.
Checking that 15-minute level. Checking the trend.
Still ranging.
S&P got smacked hard.
I tried to short, but I didn't get filled.
Feels like we're going up, but it's probably gonna go down.
That's what I'm watching. channeling.
I hate this kind of open. It's going to be an hour before anything happens.
Fuck, I would be paid.
Still? Be patient, sir. It's choppy.
We're inside of a range.
It's coming to a squeeze pretty soon here.
I'm long.
Let's go. Get your 15 points, sir.
Oh, I got stop break even.
Already?
Yeah, it moves so fast.
All right. Next trade.
Scary.
It's probably going to do this till 10:30. Where we at on the day? Break even. S&P down 5 points. Crude's break even. Gold's up 3/4%. Bonds are break even. Everything's break even. Doji candle. I had a feeling this would happen. We've got mixed signals from the Fed, and we've got FOMC in 19 days. I hope they don't do this for the next 3 weeks.
Doubt it.
Look at that daily. We had a pullback off of the
Nasty.
resistance yesterday. Bounced off the 20 to close up above it yesterday.
Pull.
I would like to be long focused, dude, but this thing can't close above VWAP
I think we could pull back to 15.
or the 20.
15,000 on the daily and still be bullish.
I can't oppose.
Higher high and then
Okay,
move back up, triple top, maybe another couple days, pull back and then break. Otherwise, we're
Now I'm
going
done
to
for the
fail.
day. Done for the day.
You're done, Abe's. Get paid, sir.
Oh, I
Let's see
should have stayed long. Should have stayed long.
what you get.
400. I'm on 400.
What is that? 1 unit?
Yeah. 2 units.
2 units. Let's go. Funded account?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Nice. Top of the range. 14 minutes till news coming out of Canada. I don't think anybody cares. But maybe it'll break this consolidation. Maybe. Potential is 270 to 300. High a day, perhaps. Breaking up. Got to pass the 60 level. That was the rebound off of the dump.
I took
ATRs.
long on my Apex.
Yeah.
My other account.
Both.
I'm up 1,000.
Let's go.
I'm out. I'm out.
Take that drawdown. Very nice. ATRs picked up to 28.
Morning.
Just ripped through some sellers at 60 and they moved up to 65.
Something's weird with TraderTrash, bro.
Yeah. I like my
The
rhythm.
fills are different, bro.
You probably got to.
So right now on my budget account, the candle was way up and I longed it and it got me filled at the bottom of the candle. So I was instantly up like $200.
Can't complain.
But right now on on the evaluation, I was up 1,500 and I got out at the top of the candle and it only got me for $1,000.
Did you hit market or the ask?
Market.
There you go. We got a 2-tick
But
spread
the spread
right now.
was close. It was very tight.
Fluctuating from 1 to 2 ticks right now. There's the 60 rejection. Hit the ask, guys. Don't hit the market. Hit the ask or the bid. Ten minutes. 11 minutes. Five-minute averages are flat. 15 is flat. Hours are mixed. Copy.
Are we going back down?
Oh no, it's holding the top of
don't
that
know.
range.
Buy the dip.
Yeah, I think it's by the dip up to 270, 280. Holding
We're
the
headed
top of
back
that
up.
range at 250. S&P is going for the high day. 6 points off the high on the S&P.
Oh, oil's ripping.
55 points off the high on the Nasdaq. Crude's ripping. Yeah.
Crude is freaking flying, bro. Get ready for those gas prices, gents.
You know what I've noticed over the last month or so? Gas prices haven't changed in relation to crude.
That's good.
They've been $3.39 here for about the last month.
Might be time for crude to pull back.
Screw crude. I hate crude now.
Yeah, don't blame
Thank
me.
God you're losing too much money.
It's a crazy chart, man. Candle liquidated probably every short in the box.
Slowly grinding up out of the range. S&P's got a 1 hour level here at 50.
Oh, almost got funded.
Oh, take it easy, bro.
It's got what?
Just make your trades.
I'm
Bro.
$22 to get funded.
Forget about it, man. Just trade your trades. Beautiful 15-minute candle. It's the only beautiful 15-minute candle in the last 2 hours. Here's that 270 weekly level.
Oh, if I
No
stay low level
ifs.
being funded.
No ifs. Gone for focus on the next trade.
No, I'm just need $22.
Yeah.
Not going to trade.
You're not gonna trade?
I need no. I still need to be here on Sunday, on Monday and Tuesday. So I'm going to do the rest of the money those days.
Gotcha. Still got 2 days left. All right. Very nice, sir.
Would you guys be upset with me if I just said I recovered $1,000 loss?
What?
Yeah, actually,
How? When?
we can talk about it later.
Yeah. Yeah, it was bad.
Don't do that.
Day?
I know, dude. I got greedy.
Right now?
Yeah, I'm positive now though.
There we go.
Weekly level on the Nasdaq, hourly level on the S&P. Existing.
I'm waiting for one more poll, and then I'm gonna load the boat.
We had the double bottom W pattern. It successfully broke out. Can we maintain the bullishness without chopping? 5 minutes till news. Canadian news. Are you done for the day, golfer?
Yeah, I'm done.
What's your goal?
I made $512. That is my goal. 500. Between 250 and 500. Next week I'm going to have a second funded account.
Let's go.
I'm a little bit closer than a third way there.
You are going to your third account?
No,
Third
no,
way
no,
to
no.
fund it.
I'm like a third of the way there.
30%.
Oh, so you just need another 1,000.
Yeah.
I have, on a 50K account, I have $1,200 above.
That is good.
So I need a little bit more than half. Dude, ES looks like it has a lot more room to go up than NQ.
1 minute average pointing up, 5 minute average pointing up, 15 minute is flat. Still debatable if it's pointing up. 1 hour still mixed. Still resisting the level on the week. Hour on the S&P.
Still gonna wait for one more poll.
When control still 217, VWAP's at 230. Buyers are at 55 and 60. Top of the range is 50, 48. Previous range. Low volume today. Decent ATR though. I wish there was a little less ATR and a little more momentum. See what happens top of the hour. We've got 2 minutes. Current hour candle is decent. Strong. 15 minute is strong. 5 minute is strong. 1 minute is trending. Could be bullish. Might go for the high.
What are you doing,
think so.
big bro? You are so quiet.
Yeah. Haven't really done much. I would like to see a yank and then go long, because I really
That's
don't
what I'm
want a long here.
Yeah. ES is at like kind of the top of its little channel-ish area. If it starts breaking above here though, then it's gonna have, I'm gonna wait for it to use this previous top as support, but I think it should pull back here. I'm gonna be looking to buy around 445 area. Q, I'm looking to pull back to around the 50.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
All right, top of the
ES
hour.
is trying to push through. Here we go.
The hour candle could come 57 down to 24.
Push. Push.
It wants that 50 bounce.
Buyers at 55.
Ugh!
I get it. Jeez.
He looks like it wants a new high.
Yeah, it does. I still think we'll probably go sideways until break out a little bit of this channel area towards the upside.
I agree.
Order filled.
Bought the dip. Uh-oh. Did something.
Who waiting?
I want to do something. Stop that. How do I make that go away? What the heck?
You bought the dip at the top, trader.
I didn't buy the dip. Big bro bought the dip.
Big bro bought the dip.
And it's not the top going through, it's the pullback. It might be the
Okay, I'm
top.
buying soon here.
Might be the top, but it looks like the pullback. S&P is a little heavier than I'd like to see, but bouncing back. 15-minute hit that first average. At 27 or 57 is holding. It's okay.
Order filled.
It's okay for the long. 1 minute hit the average. Bounced.
Yeah, that could have been it. I was just a little bit scared.
There was above average volume on that pullback, and then above average volume on the bounce. Now we have no volume. I always get in too early. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. I want to get long.
I want to get long too.
But I'm gonna wait.
That one, I got out of that. I had
Yeah.
a stop in profit there and got me out.
I'm gonna wait. I typically get pulled all the way back to my stop.
That
So let's just wait and get in.
is true.
Yeah, I would if I got long right now, I'd stop at 57, which is where the buyers are at. So let's wait and get long at 57. And of course, we'll go to 82 while I wait, just because that's how it is, man. That's how it is.
This thing looks like it wants to freaking rip.
Yeah. S&P is resisting that hourly level at 450 like a champ. This is the third attempt. Nasdaq should be at 290 to catch up with the S&P, I think. IMO.
Okay, yeah, it might actually.
Yeah.
Here's the pullback that would test my stop loss. Buyers are at 55, 52, and 60. Sellers are coming
Right
down.
around that 50 is where I'm waiting for it to come down to.
Sellers are coming down to 70, 72 from 80. More buyers at 50 than at 60. Looking up to 55, they're feeling like they missed out on the bounce. 57 now.
I'm gonna be patient.
This thing looks like it. I don't know, man. It's squeezing hard towards the upside.
I think-
Squeezing.
I think it'll try for another
Look at my
candles.
tick chart, Brennan.
10 more minutes. Test the top 5 times before it breaks out. This is the third.
Yeah.
Third or fourth. Got a new range that's tighter than the last. Much tighter. High base. One minute is trendy. 5 minutes trendy. 15 minutes getting there.
Order filled.
Buying the dip.
Yeah, it was for ES. I don't see this thing rip. Rip those pants off.
This is probably the pull happening here.
That was my ES long. I'm looking for an NQ long too. Oh, NQ's not where I want it to be for long yet.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna be patient. I still think there could possibly be a pullback.
It could be a wreck. Everybody thinks it's going to rip. Let's wreck it, take their money, and then rip it. There's where I would have got stopped if I entered the last bar. Glad I was patient. Should be long. But we've got buyers moving down to 40s now. Sellers are gone. They're at the ask. One guy at 72.
Still waiting for more. I'm gonna buy around middle of range on NASDAQ, probably around 42.
I don't want to see the S&P below
I'm kind of curious whether
45. I don't want to see the NASDAQ below 50.
Okay. Now's where I realistically want to buy, but don't trust it. Add to this.
Order filled.
Alright, out of one of my NASDAQ longs. Leaving the S. Oh, dude, I was like 2 ticks from my NASDAQ long getting hit on my other account. So close.
I used micros because I was still unsure.
Wise.
I don't like the way that this is looking though. It's looking a little
Yeah,
choppy.
it's looking a little sketch.
If you're not
What if-
confident, take a third position size. Should have entered where my stop loss would have been. I'd be getting ready to hit my target. 7 points. 7 more points. I still think it tries to break one more time before it actually does it. Up or down. Either way. 5 more minutes.
This account.
Friday. Why's it gotta be so boring today?
Yeah.
Boring.
No,
Boring
you
Friday.
just missed the best opportunity.
It still would be a boring day even if I nailed that entry. All the action happened over here, pre-market.
What I think will happen is we'll go up to like around 290, maybe hit the 300. It's gonna pull back down one more time. Hopefully to like the 50 and bounce. And if I see that, then I'm going and loading the boat.
That would have been my target right there. 10 points. Man. S&P testing 450 again. $70 NASDAQ. Going 75 and 80.
Nobody's filling the gap with me.
What are you doing?
Okay, I'm filling the gap. I posted the plan. I was long at 90, and then target is 310. The gap fill.
310. Oh, to the upside?
Yeah. It's so basically what happened. We did a big rip this morning on the news, and then we got right back down. So now we're filling that gap from that rip.
Yeah, I could see it.
We're filling it. So that's what I was trading since this morning. I get long at 1 night. I'm still obviously.
Kind of looks like we're just both logging here.
Yeah. At this point, I'm not too worried about the price action. So I'm just gonna wait. If it works, great. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
Fair enough. I'm about to
Yeah.
get long.
Yeah, this is a bad rejection here. 69. Yeah, that's
I
it.
agree with
I'm not
you.
getting long until I see the bounce.
Oh, I got stopped. Shit. All right, I got stopped.
42.
Shorted.
I'm still long buys.
All the way back
Yeah.
to 20s, guys. Shorted to 20s.
Oh no, this is way too much. This
Shorted.
is
Shorted.
big dump. Wow.
Could hold the 30 level. Buyers are at 30 and 40. Getting wiped at 40.
Yeah, man, this is getting worse. This is a bad pull.
Point of control is 34 now. S&P failed. Full flag failed.
Yeah.
This is to go back up here. Oh,
Beautiful. There's the
God.
20s, guys. Shorted to the
Oh,
20s,
wow.
guys. Easy trade.
There you go.
Didn't take it.
Wow.
Perhaps we'll get another opportunity to enter.
What a dunk.
Such a brutal
That
game.
feels like a new low a day coming in 10 minutes. That's
Ah,
what that feels like.
bad.
That was above average selling, guys.
Market came to punish me
Boom. All the way to 10s.
all the way back.
Open price at 11. Engulfing hour candle. Engulfing 15-minute candle.
It's
Everywhere you
bad.
look. Almost below the averages on every time frame now. Price action's down. Trend change down. I mean, we could look for shorts. We hit the point of control basically. It went back down to 217. I had a feeling that would happen.
This was violent. This was very violent.
What
Price
did
action
I
standpoint.
say? One more bar and then it would break out, one way or the other, and it was 100% accurate.
Yeah, he broke down instead, but that was right on the moving average, so it was beautiful. Wrong bias. That's it. All right, let's go.
Might just be the pullback we needed on the higher time frames to hit the averages. Overall, market is bullish overall.
Mm-hmm. Wow, and it's recovering now. Wow, it's recovering.
Order filled.
Could be your entry for the short.
Yeah, it could be an entry for the short here.
All right, gentlemen. I'll see you guys later.
All right, Abe's green.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I've just been listening to you guys. I've been out in the shop, that's why. But whatever green I made, that's it.
Nice. Good job, sir.
So I'm up 400 on my funded today, and then I made 1,000 on my eval.
Nice.
Nice.
Good job. Good job,
All right,
sir.
gentlemen.
Doodle doodle.
Yes, sir. I'll try to be back later. If not, I'll have a good weekend, guys.
All right. You
Have a
too.
good day.
You too.
Order filled.
Going short?
Nope, I was getting just adjusting risk for that long that I was in. Ended up taking a loss on it of like, I don't know what it was, probably $200. It's a wild candle.
And he bounced very nicely, so I'm still
Order-
on bias.
order
I
filled.
still think we can
I'm
fill
short.
the fucking gap.
I'm waiting to buy a little bit lower.
I'm short. Target is 21.75.
Good short entry.
A little 36.
You short 36?
A little lower than I'd like, but I'm in. Let's go. I'm on the eval. Not trading funded today. Too choppy.
All right. If we pass 240, the gap fill is still in play. Right, they were just stopping the longs, and then now ripping back up.
Or we're going to get a new low a day, and that's what I believe.
Or entry of or it's your trade is exactly you say. It's just gonna dump from here. It's 240 is the pivot.
Buyers are at 220, so that'll fill my target. They're moving up to 25. Oh, here we go. Come to Papa. 6 points to target. I feel like I want to move my target down to the low and then manage my stop loss, but let's just hit the first trade green.
What's your target?
21.75.
25?
21.75.
21, sorry.
1.5 units. I really need to adjust my risk to two units of profit. Here we go. Here we go. Buyers are at 20 and 15. I should get filled. No micromanaging, no emotions. Sellers are at the ask. This is good. This is good. Let it work. Came within 2 points of my target. I really get annoyed when it does that.
Yeah, had it long. This price action is hard to trade.
If I get stopped, it's going to pull 400 out of my drawdown because I was up 200 and some change. At that 15-minute level, maybe I should have had my target there. Yeah. We will see.
What is your you're streaming, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we're live.
Okay, yeah, live. You're live.
Let's go. Dump this piss. That little bounce candle is just to make everybody think it's going back up, and then we're going to make a new low a day, guys. Let's go. Here we go. Dump the piss. Easy money trade. Easy money trade. Buyers are just sitting at my target. I should get filled. Come to Papa. 22. Let's go.
Nice. Oh, you got it.
This is an easy trade,
Almost.
guys. This is an easy trade.
Yeah, nice. Let's go.
Buyers are sitting
almost.
at my target. Come to Papa and lower. I think we'll go to 215. I'm about to get filled right now. Fill me.
Yep.
Yep. And
Yeah,
I'm out.
250. Filled.
That is 1.5 units gain on the eval account and max
Nice.
drawdown.
Nice.
Zero drawdown. I might just be one and done today with this market chopping the way it is. I still think we're going to look for that low. We tap the point of control. We got an M shape on the chart. An ugly M, but it's an M. on all time frames. M shape on the 1 minute right here. M shape. The N shape that we were making got rejected. Now we got an M shape. We made it. We made a W, an M, and an N.
No D shape.
Hmm?
No D.
Right. Look at my exit. Perfect.
You nailed it. No, I went long on your exit.
Nice.
Yeah, I went
I
long
still,
on your.
I still believe in the bearishness though.
Yeah, I mean, I'm more and more inclined to say that we're gonna go down with this rejection. However, like I said, I mean, like you said, we held. We held. So
Yeah. Market is overall bullish, so
yeah,
expect some bounces.
we need. If we drop below the open price, then yeah, definitely change my
Chop.
my trade.
Chop. We're
Yeah.
back. We're back in this
Like,
opening range chop that we had.
so at this point, I don't have a bias. I'm just trading whatever side I'm on. Right now I'm long, so I'm trading the long. But I have sure not bias. Just pick a side and trade it. That's all.
I'm going back to work, people. I'll be here later, okay?
All right,
Later.
sir. We'll see you after lunch. Below on the 1, below on the 5, testing the 15, and in between on the hour. Moving averages. Yeah, I'm one and done today. I'm gonna switch to the sim account so I don't press any buttons. Make the mistake.
Button smasher.
Yeah. I love how Rhythmic gives you that sim account. It's like home base, safe. Can't make any mistakes. No button mashing. You don't get that sim account on TraderVate. Oh, by the way, Apex has a new sale today for the rest of the month.
What is it, 80%?
80% off.
Thought I saw that email.
Link in the description. Coupon code in the description. Get the second account funded. It's going to be nice having 2 funded accounts. Look at this dump. We're going to get that low day, guys. Called it out. It's coming. I don't even believe in this range that we had. It's going to get wrecked. They're moving down to 2. Oh, shit. They just moved to 205 and 210. It's a pretty healthy order down there. We might hold 200. We might hold that range for the remainder of the morning session. We should be below the moving averages on all time frames now. We are below, and they're starting to point down on the 15, pointing down on the 5, pointing down on the 1. Still mixed on the hour. I love those moving averages now. I hated them for my entire career, and I love them now. They keep you on the right side of the trade. Keeps you from getting fucking.
What is it?
Just the 20 and the 50. You want to see them in congruence with each other on your 3 time frames, and you want them to be above or below and pointing in the direction that you want to go. You want to confirm the trend on your higher time frames and the velocity, and you want to confirm the price action on your trading time frame. And when all of those things align, That's an A+ trade setup. You can take it with confidence and be confident you're on the right side of the trade. Keeps you from making silly mistakes and bad trades. It's only 2 inputs, price action and trend, 3 inputs across 3 time frames. There's nothing to like complicated. No RSI, no MACD, no volume. I don't even look at volume. I care less about volume. I could care less about volume. I mean, I like to see it above average when we're moving down or moving up on the book, but I don't see it. I don't look at it on my charts. Price action is king. Price action is the only indicator that doesn't have a lag. Volume lags, moving averages lag, everything lags except for price action. Price action is down, trend is down, moving averages are pointing and are below. We are bearish, guys. No reason to look for longs. We're going to get a new low a day. And we could come down to 15,000 and still be overall bullish on the daily. Chart analysis has been on point. Confidence is high. I love it. Look at this. Let's go. You switch it, sir? Did you do a flip, Journey? I don't like your silence. Here comes the new low. S&P could bottom out at 34. Bottom of the range on the S&P. That'll be a new low on the NASDAQ. Here it comes. Four points away on the S&P. That's about 20 points on the NASDAQ. That'll put us in the 60s. And guess where the buyers are at? 160. Or that's 180. Never mind. Give me. There is buyers at 60s though. All the way down from 75 to 150 actually. Concentrated in the 70s and 80s. We might not just snap right through that low. It might take it a few minutes. Consolidation. We had a nice move down. Bearish engulfing hour candle that was almost 100 points. Actually, it was 100 point. 100 point move down, guys. Consolidation. And then another leg down, 100 points from the high. Back to
Dude, I'm gonna be real. I miss the Trump days. It was so brain dead. You get long, you buy every dip, you get long, you get paid, easy, done.
You know it doesn't have anything to do with Trump though, right?
Sorta. I would disagree.
It's the Fed.
I mean,
brother.
obviously, like that's I severely oversimplified it.
We grow up and we're told and we're taught that all of the good and all of the bad is because of the previous president, and that's a freaking lie.
I agree with you there.
The presidents don't have shit to do with economic policy. It's the Fed. 100% the Fed. It's always been the Fed.
Yeah, but the Fed chairmen are approved typically by the new.
Yeah.
So, like, look at Gensler. Like that clown was appointed by the Biden administration. Like not like I don't know. I agree with you that it's a lot of it has to do with the Fed, but the Fed is appointed by the current administration, and it just cycles through. And
Keep in
I
mind,
guess it has less. But
Biden
anyway.
has the same Fed Trump had.
I'm sorry, SEC. I was talking SEC. I'm sorry.
And you guys know that all of the people that were opposed to the Fed were on the Titanic.
I believe it, dude.
And as soon as they were gone, they installed the Fed. It's not a coincidence.
Yeah, the Fed's a scam.
Well, sorry, I isolated myself. Sorry.
What happened?
No, that was crazy price action because so I flipped it as with the open price, like as I told you.
Oh, you were muted.
So I was long, and then the open price, so I flipped it, and then I took profits at the bottom, and then I'm long at 92.
I suspect you should lock in.
Yeah. It was because it was even now the price action is quite volatile. So here is the short entry right here, open price.
They're so predictable now with this choppiness and then a move.
Exactly, they're so predictable. Like once the open price broke, boom, I was flip short, boom, drop this thing, and then when you didn't make a new low, that was my thing. It's like, oh, so we're gonna flush, and it didn't. So I was like, all right, reverse. Because I still think we can fill that freaking gap. Look, one candle, boom, back to open price. So they do whatever the fuck they want to do with the dick. Sorry for the vulgarity, but yeah, take people's money left and right.
Rip, dip. Everybody gets paid today. The Feds. Get them out of my mind. The longs got paid.
Shout out to the Feds.
Yeah. Thanks for volatility, bros. The shorts got fed today. Pun. Shorts made money, longs made money, and the market makers made money. Everybody made money today.
Yeah, it's true. I'm just being negative.
I'm one and done today. I'm going to go ahead and kill the stream. There's no need to run it until 11.
Sure. All right, better. Later.
I'm not going anywhere. Just going to take the stream down.